Hi friends, today I'm going to show how to make chicken samosa. See, for that I am boiling chicken with potato, just one potato. I want to put it because no one likes potato. I'm making this for my son. So with a little water, turmeric powder and salt. It's getting boiled and I'm gonna cut all this like a very tiny pieces and I will add salt after that. So for that I'm gonna make only 5 or 6, that's all. And green chilies, onion, garlic. We bought and kept lots of garlic, so it started sprouting. That's okay. And small piece of ginger. And here I'm going to make the dough. Uh, I put the eggs white and a little water and salt. I have the what is that, wheat flour. I'm not adding all-purpose flour. That is good enough because I have egg and the flour, so it will come nicely like a little crunchy also. Usually I buy the dough from Asian store, but I don't see them anymore, so I want to make it at home from the scratch. Okay, keep watching. Hi Nikki, this video is for you. I'm making samosa. I know you are a vegetarian, so use lot of vegetables instead of chicken. I'm making the samosa from the scratch. I'm using chicken and potato. You can add lots of potato and any big carrots or green peas, not all, whatever you want. So here I'm beating only the white egg white. I'm trying to catch, see, egg white and with a little water and salt. It's getting nicely beaten up, and I'm going to add the flour little by little. See, to this flour I'm adding a little more water, only like 1 or 2 tablespoon water and little oil. You have to add regular oil like this, very tiny. See how it is? Now it's gonna be like real soft. Instead of using your hand, when you use this machine, nothing is sticking actually. I'm gonna stop. Hi guys, look at the bowl. There is nothing left there because everything came out so soft and nice. So it is ready. The dough is ready. With just little warm water, salt and egg and wheat flour. I used wheat flour. This one I buy and keep it and put it in the box. Now I'm ready for the samosa, chicken samosa I'm making. For that, Nikki, you need onion, green chilies, garlic, ginger, hing, salt, turmeric powder, any chili powder. I'm using Kashmiri. I do have different one, and mint leaves, so it will give nice flavor and taste. It looks nice, and you know, clove cloves like 3 4, according to how much, whatever. Like if you want more, you can add more. Don't add biryani masala, all that. It is, I don't like that. But if you crush and put this one, oh, it is awesome. So, and also, I cooked chicken. Oh, it's perfectly done. chicken and potatoes. See how it's ready to hot. So I had to cut them in pieces. I'll put it in the processor. You can cut it with your knife. I'm waiting for this. I'm going to chop the onion, ginger, garlic, everything. I'll show it to you. Okay, Nikki? I'm adding everything into the processor to make it small. Um, you know what all I'm adding? Green chilies, onion, garlic, and few like 4 5 of the clove. Okay. Should be like a small tiny pieces, like well chopped. If you want, you can add fennel seeds, even to give more taste. But you can do it the way, whatever you prefer. Okay. See, I put chicken in it. I just grounded them in a processor. Like this. It comes so good. So I'm gonna mix everything with the other masala. I put that. I put what is that? Onion, garlic, ginger, and 4 5 cloves, and mint leaves. I don't have coriander leaves. You can add. And with the chicken, I'm gonna mix everything together, and potatoes. So just one potato I wanna put. See, that's all. And little hink, little salt. Make sure you're not putting too much salt. Little turmeric powder. Little chili powder. My son likes spicy, so that's all. We need to mix all this mixture. See, mix them together. Everything should be well blended like this. Now you can save it. You can, keep this mixture to noodles or something else. If you have a lot, if you make a lot. Keep this one ready. My hand is clean, so I made the dough from the scratch. See how soft? I'm gonna roll it. I'm making only for my son. I might eat only one. There is no one in my home. But if you guys want to order anything, I can use gloves and make it. You can order. I can make like one samosa is $1. Actually, I used to sell samosa whenever, when I went to work, and because I take it like a sample, they try, then they say, oh, could you make something like for $5, $10, something like that. It was like my pocket money. You know what? I'm gonna do it here. It's clean, but look at my dough, okay? You have to make it thin. You see, soft and thin. I cut it like this so I can make like 5-3 samosa with one piece. Then I can make more with the other piece. So I'll show you how I did. This is just a dough, okay? Hi guys, the oil is hot. I'm dropping the dough. It has lots of chicken. Chicken, garlic, onion, ginger, cloves, and mint leaves, pink, chili powder, turmeric powder, salt. That's all. And in few minutes, the samosa will be ready. You have to make sure the oil is not too hot. This is actually, I didn't add any, what is that? All-purpose flour. This is only ragi flour and egg. See, cook slowly. And it is ready. You can serve with ketchup or anything, whatever the way you want it. So this is samosa, Indian food. Let it get cooked fully. Actually, people make very tiny onion samosa, vegetable samosa. But my children prefer only chicken samosa. It should be drenched. It should be soaked well in the oil. See? And you can drain it later. It comes crispy, tasty, and delicious, well cooked. The onion gives nice taste. I made it little bigger because this one I'm making for my son's lunch. He wants this one samosa, chicken samosa, to be like his lunch. He loves that, and I have no cooking because I have no other work to do except to making samosa today. Since I'm not cooking anything, I have a lot of food left over. My husband is eating outside, so Nikki, this is for you, okay? Learn how to make samosa. You can give it to your children for snack or parties. You can serve, you know, because I know you. I think you are vegetarian. Maybe your children learn to eat chicken or something. You can teach them even to eat chicken like this. They would try. It smells so good. If you are a vegetarian, add more vegetables and potato, you know. My husband always go and buy from the Indian store. I never liked it. They put lot of cinnamon and gloves and lots of potatoes in it. I mean, I like non-vegetarian samosa. I mean, it really tastes good. My husband loves all these breads. They prefer, but my children, they are non-vegetarian, they are not vegetarian, so they don't try. So, and for me, I can't eat potato. I get some problem, like gas problem, like, you know, my hand will hurt, my leg will hurt. So, look at that. How is my samosa, guys? Thumbs up, okay? Please like it, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. As soon as my samosa is done, I'll show you how it came. Okay? Final touch. See to my mushroom. I'm frying potatoes. Only one potato and three shrimp. Frying, lightly frying in oil. Then I'll add with my mushroom. Okay? Yeah. And also I added curry leaves, coriander leaves and mint leaves just to give you a taste. Look at my mushroom, guys. I mean, you can make anything the way you want to eat. It might look little oily. I'm gonna add lemon juice on the top. Then I will eat with brown rice quinoa. I have already see look at my mushroom, shrimp, and potato. How it came. I'm gonna add lemon juice. Does it look nice? Beautiful? This is hot oil. I made samosa. Then from that oil, I just put 1 teaspoon of oil. It's not that much oil. My food never. I don't like oily food at all. See the shrimp? It is just perfect. I cook them in oil just for a few minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, that's all, and the potato also. Then I mixed with the mushroom. It really tastes good. I'm gonna put lemon, just let me. Hi guys, my chicken samosa. Look at that. Um, Actually, I made 5, 6 of them. My son ate 4, and I have 2 left. So this is, I don't want small samosa because we have a lot of chicken and potatoes and other stuff like onion, ginger, garlic. So you can't put everything in it. So you have to make it a little bigger, and you can eat with the ketchup. Also, you know, I'm decorating with the curry leaves and mint leaves and carrot. You can eat the carrot like a bite. Take a bite of this and bite of samosa together. How is that? Do you like my idea? Thumbs up, okay? Yeah. Enjoy. Enjoy my presentation. How you do? Let me know. Okay? It's all presentation, guys. Cooking is all presentable, like a presentation, like how it is presentable, and it can stimulate your appetite, as soon as they see the food. But little bit, it looks like little burnt, but it is not. I want the chicken to be cooked nicely. So, little brown, okay, like me. What is in your home? What is in your home? Okay.